हमने बात की जो रिएजेंट्स और सप्लाइज की ज़रूरत है हमें इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस की, आरएनए एक्सट्रैक्शन की, प्योरिफिकेशन की हमने बात की, सैंपल प्रिपरेशन की बात की. नाउ दिस इज़ द टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट प्रोसीजर ऑफ जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस. The first step would be to prepare the or the to mix the RNA sample with the glyoxal denaturation reaction. That means the first step is going to be RNA molecule denaturation. For that purpose, we take 1 to 2 microliter of RNA. The quantity should be 10 microgram, and then 10 microliter of glyoxal reaction mixture. We are going to mix them up, and we are going to place these tubes, or we are going to incubate this RNA sample along with the reaction mixture, glyoxal reaction mixture, for 60 minutes at 55 degrees centigrade. This 1 hour time period at 55 degrees centigrade will denature the RNA molecules present in the sample. Then once the time of incubation is over, shift those tubes in the ice or cold water to chill it for 10 minutes, and then centrifugation step is required so that all the sample which is evaporated and is attached with the lid or the top of the tube should be settled at the bottom of the microfuge tube. During the time when the samples are in incubation, that 1 hour time or 60 minutes time, we are now having the option to cast the gel, or to take the casted gel, place it in the horizontal electrophoresis chamber, add the gel electrophoresis buffer to such an extent that the gel should be merged in the electrophoresis buffer. The electrophoresis buffer should be at least 1 millimeter above the surface of the gel. Once the sample is ready and gel is in the electrophoresis buffer, we can take those samples and proceed further towards the sample loading and gel electrophoresis. Prior to loading the samples, the denatured RNA samples, to the gel, we need to add small volume 1 to 2 microliter of RNA gel loading buffer to the RNA samples, and then immediately load the RNA samples into the wells as shown in this picture. At this stage हमें इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है कि जो हमारे एक्सटर्नल मार्जिन्स पे जो वेल्स हैं ऑन आउटर साइड्स, जैसे कि इस पिक्चर में हम देख सकते हैं, वेयर वी मार्क एम मीन्स मार्कर. इन वेल्स में हम आरएनए स्टैंडर्ड मार्कर लोड करेंगे, और जहाँ पे हमने लिखा है एस, दैट मीन्स सैंपल, इन वेल्स में हम सैंपल लोड करेंगे. सो calculate or the count the number of samples along with 2 samples of marker to design your gel electrophoresis experiment. Once the samples are loaded, marker is loaded, now this is the time to start the electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is done at 5 volts per centimeter, and constant observation that bromophenol blue, that the color of the band is traveling and how far it has traveled. Normally up to 8 centimeter we observe, and once the bromophenol blue has traveled to the 8 centimeter, we assume this significant electrophoresis or the separation is done, and we proceed further. At this stage we need to be careful कि जब हम higher voltage apply करते हैं, movement of the bands or RNA will be faster. Time required for the electrophoresis will be shorter, but the quality of gel or the appearance of the bands, it will not be good, because the higher voltage is going to cause smearing of the RNA molecules, and you cannot have the option to see the different bands in very beautiful separated conditions, which you can identify later on using the location of the marker. Once the electrophoresis is done, as we have used ethidium bromide in it as well, so we can look at the bands of RNA using UV transilluminator. We shift the gel over the transilluminator, and then we can see the position of the bands. अब इस स्टेज के ऊपर हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शनल स्टेप्स हैं, और वो 2 ऑप्शनल स्टेप्स क्या हैं? टू measure the distance traveled by each RNA band. which is not normally done these days, but this is optional. And then using this distance traveled, converting it to the log of 10 using the standard curve, we can estimate the size of RNA molecule. But these are the optional methods or optional steps which can be avoided in the gel electrophoresis. Once the electrophoresis is done, the next step is to transfer the RNA molecules which are separated on the basis of molecular weight by electrophoresis on some immobilized or on some solid support, so that we can proceed it further for northern hybridization. And that solid support is going to be nylon membrane in this case.